The 2010 Honda Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. And is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power sunroof, front air conditioning, power steering, AM/FM stereo with CD player, power brakes, power windows, daytime running lights, tilt steering wheel, 4-piece floor mat set. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.